Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on our notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So guys, today I'm going to be explaining details how you can buy and sell with one strategy and how you can make a money with this strategy that we are seeing now. How this strategy can help you to improve your profit every day. So guys, what you only need to do, so these settings of this strategy I've already shared in my last video, so you can check my last video before this video so that you can have access to the settings. So this is the settings so that you can see the look of it. You see, this is the setting, but I've explained it how it's been set up on our previous video. So you go there to my channel and check the settings of this strategy, because this strategy is one of the best strategy. As you guys know that there's no strategy that's 100% perfect, but if you can master one particular strategy and you try it on your demo account before using it on your real accounts, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best thing that you can do. So guys, today I'm going to be show you how you can trade with this particular strategy and how it can help you to take up to like 10 to 20 candle anytime you enter your market, and how you can catch up a spike with this strategy, guys. So what you need to do is only master what we have here. We have our relative strength index now. Anytime our relative strength index move above the 80 level, remember this is the right time for you to enter the market. And we are going to be having our ADS also that move above the 30 level or on 30 level. This is the right time for you to enter the market. You see, you can scrape up to like 15 to 20 candlestick without spike, guys. You can take up to that. If it is 5, if it is 10, you can take that. So let me show you how much this this is now. Like what we have here, we have up to like 20. We have 23 spike, 23 candle now here. You see, now you can take 20 candlestick here. So guys, let me show you more sample that you need to do. And also, if you are going to be taking up a spike, guys, I need to explain something to you about taking spike with this strategy. And if you are to be taking spike with this strategy, this is the best time for you to take it. You see, guys, what you need to do is to wait for your relative strength index to move below the ADS strategy. You see, when it moves below the ADS strategy now, we are expecting a spike at any time from here. So let me show you some sample that have already happened in the market. You see, same thing happen here. You see, same thing happen here. When the relative strength index move below the ADS, you see it's taking up with a spike. You see, it happens in the market, and that spike might go for long period of time. It might take a lot. You see, it always respect it because something will surely happen in the market. Same thing happen here. It happened here. You see, you can use this to catch up a lot of spike in the market. You see, same thing also happen here. Same thing happen here. You see, it went below the ADS here, and what do you see? The market begin to take up a spike entry. You see, same thing happen here. So you can use this strategy to catch up your spike every time. So, but let me explain more deeply on how you can scrape the market with 20 candle with this. You see, anytime you are having your relative strength index that went above the 80 level, then you can take or down you can take down up to 20 candlestick without any spike. So even if there's going to be a spike, it's going to be a baby spike, but you can take up your candlestick up to 10 to 20 times. So if you just keep on waiting and you keep on checking the markets time to time, and you are taking your trade from this level every time you are having your entry, you see now it take down up to like 10 spike and 10 candlestick here now before there is a pullback in the market, and keep on respecting it up to take up to like 40 to 50 candle with this. So this strategy is one of the best strategy that I know that is going to help you guys, because we do a lot of research for you guys to come up with a best and tested strategy for you guys. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can like and comment on this video. You can also share your experience so far using this strategy and different strategy that we drop on this channel time to time. So guys, thank you very much.